project. It's a web page where you can manage all your employees. Already on the main page we have the table with all employees and the categories of unique ID, first name, last name, birth date, age, gender, weekly workload and department. Currently we have 30 people employed, and we can say we want to add a new employee. Let's say he's called Max Mustermann, gender is man, birth date, he's working in IT, weekly workload of 40 hours per week, and now we have a new employee here at the bottom, and we can also say like we want to delete Jonathan because he's not working anymore here. And then we can say we want to sort the table based on its parameters. This is being done used the merge sort algorithm, and yeah, because we can sort the table, we can also filter the table. Let's say we want to display all people working in the marketing department. This filter is using a binary search algorithm, but I modified it in such a way that it